What I was suffering from was end-stage arthritis and in my left hip. So basically, the joint had deteriorated and it was basically bone on bone, which over time caused me a lot of problems with mobility and then pain.
The Shuttle Joint Replacement Center at Broward Health has been here for 15 years. And the amazing thing about our program is that we're like a well-oiled machine of nurses and therapists and staff. It's a multidisciplinary approach to patient care.
I knew that I'd be working with Broward, and I had heard nothing but good things about the hospital. So I felt on both accounts, both my surgeon as well as the program here, I would be in pretty good hands. After the surgery, I was cared for just wonderfully. I mean, it was all very efficient, very professional, but also very kind, compassionate. As I lived on the second floor apartment, getting up and down the stairs was going to be a concern. So right away, they had me walking up and down the stairs to show me the best way to negotiate it. And what was delightful was being careful to do it, but not feeling the pain that I felt prior to the surgery. The care and compassion was amazing. And it was just, it wasn't just about just caring for you. There was also personality behind it. There was conversation. There was that humanity that goes beyond just caring for someone.